We're here with Zoom to talk about the LIVETRAK, the L12. It is a board designed for podcasters. Stay tuned. All right, I'm here with John from Zoom, and he's going to tell us about the L12 here and, what's in store for podcasters looking to take it to the next level.
Yeah, so this is the Zoom L12. This is a mixer, an audio interface, and a recorder all in one. So this is a perfect solution for a podcaster, even a musician who wants to record their band or a live venue. You can replace your mixer with this, and this will record everything internally to an SD card. You can record a separate file for each input and a stereo mix. So if you're recording a podcast, everything can be good to go right at the end of your recording session. And you have 5 different headphone outputs, so you can eliminate a headphone amp if you were thinking about using that. And you could create a custom mix for each of the headphone outputs. So if anyone's a little bit picky, they want a little bit more of them, a little bit less of this guy, they could create their own mix. And that's for each of the 5 outputs. Built-in EQ, end effects, I should say, and 1 knob compressor. So it's really all you'd need for a podcast setup.
So how many inputs do we have with it?
So we have 8 XLR 1/4-inch combo inputs, and then we have 2 stereo line-ins where you could connect a phone or a computer, things like that.
I know, like with F8s and things like that, there's normally like a Bluetooth interface or anything like that. Is there anything with this particular unit?
Not for the L12, but we also have the L20, which is an expanded version. You have 16 inputs, 16 XLR 1/4-inch inputs, and then 2 stereo line-ins. And that one is compatible with a Bluetooth iOS app.
Okay. What's the price for this one?
So the L12 is $599.99, and the L20 that I referenced is $999.99.
Yeah. And what about availability?
Both of those are available now and shipping. Yeah.
All right. I want to thank you for your time today.
Thank you, guys.